spontaneously grew a mustache and soul patch that are shiny. Luckily, I didn't have too many pictures of the old me. Like, I have some, like, old fucking tiny top pictures. Like, all my old clothes were actually, like, luckily not feminine, so I didn't have to deal with that. I didn't really have to deal with much of that, but, like, the past, like, 5 or 6 days, I've been, like, putting all of my old pictures into a file, or into a folder. I'm not gonna delete it, because, I don't know, it's, like, that was a part of me, you know? Like, I agree with Julian. I'm not, like, that's who I was. It's not who I am, because I'm a totally different person, but that's who I was, and I'm not gonna just, like, throw away my past, you know? I don't want to get rid of who I was, and I don't want to, like, forget who, you know, like, made me who I am now, you know, like, so I don't know. Brian, if I could be any animal for a day, I would probably be, like, a bear. Gay joke. No, really, like a giant black bear or something, or a grizzly bear. Because I could be that thing that bears do, so that'd be fun. And because I would just like to be all snuggly and not eat people, because that's how I roll. Ethan. They said I'm feeling too scared to leave the shit out of me. They could care less as long as someone will bleed. I haven't really done drag. I mean, I've kind of done drag, and I thought about doing drag. And I would never be a queen, because I'm not, well, I mean, I could be, but I'm not comfortable enough to be a queen yet, so I'm a drag king, or I guess a not-so-drag king. Yeah, you say that, so I thought I don't really have a drag king name. That sounded stupid. But if I did, it would probably just be, like, Michael Williams or something stupid like that. So I don't know. I don't do drag, because I'm a loser.
Drag. Clothing that is conventionally worn by the opposite sex, especially women's clothing when worn by a man. He went to the party dressed in drag. The waitress looked like a missionary's in drag.
So there you go. Adam, you asked who our best friend was. I don't have two like you. I just have one. And Julian, you asked who our hero was. Well, I have a few heroes. But right now, this is gonna be 2 and 1. So get ready for this shit.
Hello. My name's Jordy. I don't know what to say. I just can't believe I'm 80's hero and best friend.
Pretty fantastic, huh?
Yeah. Why don't you give me an interview or something?
Okay, well, I have a little time. Jordan, when did we meet?
Well, we met at the library, like, 5 years ago or so?
I think like 3 or 4.
4. Because I was 11. I wasn't quite 12 yet. I'm not 11, but I'm not quite 12 yet. But, yeah, I was at the library checking the computer thingy, majigger that I started, and then I came outside, and you guys were fucking around with my bike, and I was like, what the hell? And then me and AD just started talking, and then when I finally moved here, after that, we just kept talking. Now this is where we are. Me and AD make beautiful music.
The best thing for a Taurus, and you're a Taurus, right?
Yes.
Cancers.
And
I'm a
you're
Cancer. Yeah.
Great. I'm fucking stuck with you.
Thanks, douchebag.
You're welcome.
What are you guys thankful for? I'm thankful for a lot of stuff, but mostly I'm thankful for my mom, and the rest of my family, and my best friend.
AKA me.
and my dog, and music, and life in general. So that's what I'm thankful for. What the fuck are you thankful for? Best friends!
Forever.
Yeah, yo! F is for friends who do stuff together.
U is for you and me.
It is for any time at all. Down here in the deep blue sea.
I love SpongeBob.